Monetizing a TikTok account involves several strategies to turn your content into income. Here are some ways you can do it. 1. Creator Fund, TikTok Fund. TikTok's Creator Fund is a program that pays creators for their content. However, it's currently available to creators in select countries and regions, and you need to meet certain eligibility criteria, like having at least 100,000 followers and meeting the minimum video views requirement. 2. Brand Partnerships. Work with brands for sponsored content. This involves creating videos that promote a brand's product or service. Brands may approach you directly, or you can use influencer marketing platforms to connect with potential partners. 3. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services from companies and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Ensure that your audience finds the products relevant and valuable. 4. Live gifts and donations. If you're over 18 and have more than 1,000 followers, you can receive gifts from your viewers during live streams. You can then convert these into diamonds and eventually cash out. 5. Sell merchandise. If you have a unique brand or catchphrase, you can design and sell merchandise related to your TikTok content. 6. Crowdfunding or patronage. Use platforms like Patreon, Ko-Fi, or Buy Me a Coffee to allow your fans to support you directly. 7. Promote your other platforms. Promote your YouTube, Instagram, or other social media accounts where you may have additional monetization opportunities. 8. Join TikTok challenges and competitions. Some challenges offer cash prizes or gifts for winners. Keep an eye out for these opportunities. 9. Become an affiliate for TikTok tools and services. If you use specific tools, software, or services for your TikTok content, consider becoming an affiliate and promoting them to your audience. 10. Offer online courses or consulting. If you have a specific skill or expertise related to TikTok or content creation, consider offering online courses, workshops, or consulting services. Remember to disclose any paid partnerships or affiliate relationships in your content to maintain transparency with your audience and comply with TikTok's policies. Lastly, it's important to have engaging, high-quality content. Consistency and authenticity will help you grow your audience and attract potential monetization opportunities.